Central Texas until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:05 p.m. Central Standard Time, the public reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Over 2 inches of rain have already fallen. This rainfall will lead to excessive water runoff and cause flash flooding. Low-lying areas are most vulnerable to rapidly rising water. Some low-water crossings may flood and become impassable. Some locations that will experience flooding include Fort Worth, Arlington, Grand Prairie, Mansfield, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Halton City, Keller, Hearst, Burleson, Cleburne, Southlake, Watauga, Colleyville, Benbrook, Saginaw, White Settlement, Crowley, and Forest Hill. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. The current